Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is a 10-minute Qigong practice to energize your day. Now, let's get started. Stand, feet hip-width or slightly wider. Start to swing side to side. Hands cupping the bottom of the torso. The tailbone. Keep moving up the lower dantian to the navel and the door of life, almost opposite from the navel, along the spinal column that is the governing channel of the body. Now hands come to the sternum, the middle dantian, and give yourself a gentle pat over the shoulder. In Qigong, through movements like this, we cultivate loving kindness towards ourselves and towards others. Slowly move the hands downward. And bring the hands to your sides, come to the Wuji posture. Knees slightly bent, relax the shoulders, tuck the chin slightly. Notice the sensations in the body. The tingling sensations you're feeling in your hands, maybe your legs. It is your qi being activated. And blink your eyes open. Cross the left arm over the chest. Use the right elbow to pinch this arm as close as you can. Lengthen through the spine. And draw the chin toward the left shoulder head. And slowly circle the neck towards the right. Keep hugging the arm tight. And circle back towards the left. Bring the chin back to center. Switch up the arms. Cross the right arm over the chest. Pinch the arm close. And turn the chin to the right shoulder head. Slowly rotate towards the left. And back. Chin back to neutral. Release the arms down. Notice the sensations in your arms. Next movement is worshiping the heaven and the earth. Bring your fingers to your shoulders. Drop the shoulders down. Lengthen through the neck. The chin is tucked. In Qigong, dropping the shoulders is a very important practice. And now inhale, lengthen the arms up. And fold forward. Bow to the earth. Slowly rise. Turn your head to the left. And bring the arms back to the shoulders. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold over. Look to the right. Repeat 4 more times. Reach up. Show our appreciation to the heavens. And bow down towards the earth. Rounding the spine, tuck the chin a little as you come up. Now open the chest, Turn to the left. Hands to the shoulders. Forward. And rise. Gaze to the right. 2 more on each side. Gaze to the left. Fingers back to the shoulders. Reach up, gathering heavenly energy. And rise. Gaze to the left. Bring the head back to neutral. Arms goes up and drawing down the heavens 2 more times. Come to stillness. Notice the sensations in the body. Then bring your hands to your waists. Step the feet wider to a horse stance. Hands on the thigh. Only go to your comfort level. Make sure there's no irritation to the knee joints. And begin to use the right hand firmly press into the leg and twist towards the left. Look back. This stimulates and strengthens the kidney energy. Back to neutral. Then twist to the right. Hands press firmly into the left leg. And back to neutral. Bring the hands up. Slowly bring the hands back to your waist. Toe, heel, the feet to hip width. With the right hand supporting the waist. Extend the left arm towards your head. And stretch to the right. Stretch 1. Stretch 2. Stretch 3. Slowly lift and let arm go loose. Repeat. Lengthen the arm. Gently stretch into it. 1. Bring the arms closer to your ear. 2. 3. Left hand support the waist. Extend the right arm up and over your head. Stretch into it. Stretch 1. Stretch 2. Stretch 3. Slowly lift and release the arm. Repeat. Bring the arms closer to your ear. And release the hands down. Hands to your lower dantian for pebble in the pond. Send the hips back as you extend arms forward. Slowly rise, hands back to lower dantian. And repeat. This is a wonderful movement, help to strengthen the stomach and the spleen. And rise up, bring the feet together, standing tall. Inhale as you lift your heels and extend the arms up. Bring the palms together over your head. Exhale, lower the arms and drop the heels. Hands tap on your legs. Let's do 6 more. Wonderful. Stack your palms over your abdominal. Gently massage 2 sets of 9, 18 times. Bring your hands to your heart. Friends, this concludes our today's Qigong practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how it went for you. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.